Hey, the best thing about veggie burgers, you can season them like any way you want. Like hamburgers are hamburgers. You could make like a pizza burger, you put tomato sauce, you put cheese on top, you got a pizza burger. But it's still basically the flavor of a hamburger. With veggie burgers, you put all kinds of flavor inside to make them special. Today, we're going to India. We're going to make a curry vegetable burger. Woo! So subscribe to this channel and make sure you ring that bell so you get this recipe right away. That's wonderful. We're going to make this veggie burger, curry, and we're going to top it with something. Hey, you don't have to make everything yourself. I get a condiment. I'm going to top it with this special condiment. Check in with me later, find out what it is. You're going to be surprised, but it's going to be delicious. Let's get cooking. Okay, so this burger really only has two ingredients, rice and sweet potato, okay? But we have to cook the rice, so we have to add more ingredients to the rice as we cook it. And this is what we're gonna do. Okay, I have about 2 tablespoons oil in that pot. Got that fire on medium. I'm gonna add about 1 cup of chopped onions. That's 1 large onion. Hey, you don't have to measure it. Just take a large red onion, chop it up pretty fine, as fine as you can. Hey, you could even put it in a food processor and chop it that way. I don't care. Just chop it fine. All right. Make life easy for yourself. Okay. Just gonna saute these onions for about 2 minutes or so. Then I'm gonna add 3 cloves of garlic, finely chopped, and about a tablespoon of chopped ginger. Once again, finely chopped. That's very fragrant. Smells delicious. Woo! Let's get back to cooking. So I saute the onions for 2 minutes, and then I add the ginger and garlic, saute that for 2 minutes. Then I have some spices here. Okay? I have cumin, 2 teaspoons cumin, 1½ teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. I'm going to fry that up a little bit with the other ingredients, the garlic and the onion. Okay, the brown rice. That's just simply long grain brown rice. I'm going to cook this together with all the seasonings and the onion and the garlic just for a minute or two, just to coat that with a little bit of the seasonings. Woo, looks good. I have here 1½ cups of vegetable broth. So I have 1 cup of rice, 1½ cups of vegetable broth. Okay, I'm going to bring this rice to a boil, and then I'm going to cook it until there's still broth left, but it's pretty wet, but it's not a whole lot of broth left. So until the rice is about halfway cooked. Then I'm going to cover it, shut it off, leave it alone, and I'm going to come back in about 10 minutes. It's going to be done. It's going to be beautiful. Smells good already. Whew. I can't wait to eat these burgers, man. Hey, while that rice is cooking, let's turn our attention to the sweet potato. Whew. This recipe is going to be delicious. Okay, so I got 2 medium sweet potato. I'm going to peel them, and I'm going to dice them small. Then I'm not going to boil them, because if you boil them, they get water inside. No good. I need to get maximum sweet potato flavor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sweat them. I'm going to sweat some of the moisture out, cook the sweet potato, and get that intense sweet potato flavor. That's cooking. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to cover this up. I'm going to turn this fire off and let it sit till it's cooked. Wow, kitchen smells fantastic. It's like I went to India. It's fantastic. All right, let's get back to the sweet potato. The easiest way to cut these is I cut the ends off and I cut a slice. Not thick, not that thick. Okay, and then it can sit nice without moving too much. Okay, then I can slice the rest of it. About 1/8 of an inch slices. Okay, and then could do 1 or 2 at a time. Also 1/8 of an inch to make little like sticks like that. Turn it the other way. There we go. And what you have is small diced sweet potato. I know this takes a little time, but it's really the right way to do it. Wonderful. Okay, now for the sweet potatoes, I'm going to just give this a little bit of a coating of oil. This is on nice and low, and I add the sweet potato. I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. This is going to take about 15-20 minutes or so to cook. I just want it to cook nice and slow and get that moisture, some of that moisture out of the sweet potato as I cook it. So you get that intense sweet potato flavor. It's going to be beautiful. Okay, so the rice is almost done. The sweet potato is cooking, nice and slow. I give it a stir every like couple of minutes. Got to watch it. This is a little bit of a process to make the burgers, but very healthy, very delicious. And don't forget that secret ingredient. I couldn't even make it. I had to buy it. But I'm going to put it on at the end. It finishes this burger off, wow, beautifully. Okay, I'll see you in about 10 minutes. Okay, so the sweet potato is cooked and the rice is cooked. How do I know? Gotta taste it. Oh yeah, has a little bit of a crunch in there, but it's cooked. Now it's got to cool down. And the rice, beautiful. Hey, brown rice got a little bit of a chew to it, but it's cooked. Wonderful. Let everything cool down, then we can make our burgers. Awesome. Hey, everything's pretty much cooled down, and then we're going to start to now make the burgers. Oh yeah, it smells delicious. It's going to be good. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the rice. I'm going to put it in the food processor. Okay, so I'm just going to post this. You see how that looks? It's kind of like broken rice. So I transfer this into a nice bowl. Then I have the sweet potatoes. I'm going to put them right in with the rice. Okay, I'm going to mix that all together. I have here a little cup of water and a 1 cup measure. Hey, I put a little water on my hands. Okay, so I'm going to let these burgers sit until I'm really ready to cook them. And while they're sitting, they're going to get a little more firm. They're going to set a little bit, and then we're going to cook them. Fantastic. Hey, we can cook them a couple different ways. We can cook them in the oven. We can cook them on top of the stove and fry them a little bit on both sides, whatever you want. I like in the oven. Use less oil. It's a little easier. I'll see you. I'm going to have dinner in about... What time is it? Oh, I'm going to have dinner in a couple of hours. So I'm going to come back in a couple of hours, cook them up, and that's dinner tonight. Wonderful. Fantastic. Okay, I'll see you in a couple of hours. Okay, so I shaped them up nice. I cover with aluminum foil the pan, nice and clean. I spray with oil, put the burgers on, spray the burgers with oil, right in the oven. 400 degrees. That's hot, but you want to get a little brown, so that's good. Okay, so here we go. Okay, it's gonna take about 10 minutes. I'll flip them over, be another 10 minutes. That's 20 minutes. Oh, the burgers are out. Woo! Check them out. Beautiful, nice. That is, put them on a roll. I got special rolls today. Hey, from Dave's Killer Bread. And these are fantastic rolls. Listen, I have nothing to do with Dave's Killer Bread, right? But these rolls, my favorite. Hearty, delicious, very nice. Also good size. Wonderful stuff. Gotta try it. See the supermarket, the bread section. Dave's Killer Bread rolls for hamburgers. Wonderful. Okay. Little sliced tomato. Alright, so I told you I'm going to use a special ingredient. I didn't even make this. I bought it because it's so good. Listen, sometimes you got to buy a condiment. That's okay. That's Major Gray's chutney. Awesome stuff. Hey, it's a mango chutney. A little spicy, a little sweet. Perfect for curry. Check it out. It's in the India section of your supermarket. You can get it on Amazon. Alright, Amazon. Okay, so what I do is just take a nice heaping teaspoon right on top. Look at that. Woo! No need for ketchup on this bad boy. This stuff will do. Okay, so don't forget, you still got to put a couple of slices of tomato on there. Okay. A little bit of greens. I'm using spinach for this. Very nice. Don't forget the top of the bun. Beautiful. Check this out. Woo, that's beautiful. Hey, I'm going to eat this tonight for dinner. It's going to be wonderful. What a terrific veggie burger. You see, very healthy. Not too many ingredients. The less ingredients you have, the better it is. Okay, so check this out. And you know what? You want a nice, another nice veggie burger? The original veggie burger. Falafel. I got a video for that. Check it out. It's wonderful. You're going to love it. Gonna eat this. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to eat two of these. Don't tell anybody, okay? Catch you later.